Hi everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, design parking system. So design a parking system for parking lot. The parking lot has three kinds of parking spaces, big, medium, and small, with a fixed number of slots for each size. Implement the parking system class. So parking system, initialize object of the parking system class. The number of slots for each parking space are given as part of the constructor. So bool add car checks whether there is a parking space of car type for the car that wants to get into the parking lot. Car type can be of three kinds, big, medium, or small, which are represented by 1, 2, and 3, respectively. A car can only park in the parking space of its car type. If there is no space available, return false, else park the car in the size space and return true. Yeah, so this is a very easy question, so that's why I don't explain detail. So directly, let's jump into the code. Before I start my explanation, so let me introduce my channel. So I create a lot of videos to prepare for technical interviews. I explain all details of all questions in the video, and you can get the code from GitHub for free. So please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. Thank you for your support. Okay, so let's write the code. I think there are many ways to solve this question. So in this case, I use hash map. So slots equal, and 1 is a big, and 2 is a medium, and 3 is a small. And then for add car method, so if not self.slots and car type, that means 0. In this case, we should return false. If not the case, add -1 to slots and the car type minus equal 1, and then return true. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of 1, which means it has constant time complexity, regardless of input size or the number of elements in the slots dictionary. The execution time of add car function remains constant. So this is because the code performs a fixed number of operations irrespective of the input. So that's why. And space complexity also order of 1, constant space complexity. The space used by the code does not depend on the input size or the number of elements in the slots dictionary. It only requires a fixed amount of space to store the slots dictionary and the function parameters. So that's why. So as I told you, so there are many ways to solve this question. So you can use a list instead of a hash map here. So in that case, be careful. So index number should be car type -1 because big is 1 and the medium is 2 and the small is 3. So index usually starts from 0. So if you use the list here, so index number should be car type -1. So be careful. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.